In this video, we'll be working on a running stitch template. What you'll need are marking pencils, 2 large paper clips, a running stitch guide sheet, and a 10 by 10 square of muslin cloth. We're going to go ahead and get started by securing our muslin on top of our running stitch guide sheet by placing our paper clips along the top edge like this. Once that is done, we'll use the blue marking pencil since our muslin is this light colored fabric, and we'll begin working from left to right to trace over each mark from the guide sheet onto the muslin cloth. We will complete 8 rows of markings onto the muslin. When you are finished, the muslin cloth should look like this. Now you have a helpful guide to help you begin practicing your running stitch.